RJ's lunchbox. RJ's lunchbox.
RJ's lunchbox. RJ's lunchbox. Today I'll be eating chips, applesauce, oranges, juice. Mom, what is this?
Pudding, chocolate pudding.
Chocolate pudding. Crackers. Mom, did you put crackers on there?
Yeah.
Crackers. Muffins. And some chips.
You forgot about his main course right now. Let me give it to you.
Okay.
You gotta hold it and say, and his ravioli. You gotta hold it into camera. So look, say, and his ravioli.
And his ravioli.
Now let's put the top on it. You gotta put the top on it.
Can I do it like this?
Yep. Let's put it on the side over here. Okay, right there. Now what you gonna, and you gotta say his silverware so he can have something to eat with.
Silverware.
Okay? Let's put it in there.
What about his water bottle? On the side.
Yeah. So I'm tell you that it's water bottle too.
But his water bottle, we'll put that on the side of it.
Okay. Okay. So then say, thank you for watching RJ's Lunchbox.
Thank you for watching all day lunchbox. Where the title?